few weeks ago on this channel, we made this beautiful brown laundry bar soap that you see, and I remember in the course of the production I explained to you that I made use of sugar solution, and I promised that I'm going to release a video on how you can make your own sugar solution by yourself so that you don't have to like spend money on and start buying sugar solution. So let's get started. So the first thing you are going to need is your sugar, and granulated sugar. White granulated sugar is the most appropriate to make this. So right here I have 250 grams of sugar, but I am not going to be using everything because I don't need much. Like the quantity I need is not many, so I'll be using half of that sugar. So half of 125 is half of 250 is what I'm going to be using for this production, and that's 125, right? So add the quantity you need into a pot. Make sure the pot is dry. Then you go and start cooking it. Like you cook this on low to medium heat, please, so that you can get a good outcome. So when you place your pot or your heat source, just start stirring your sugar. Make sure you are not far from it, so keep stirring it. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are mostly welcome. Please do well to join this wonderful family by hitting the subscribe button and put on your notification bell. So at this point, can you see that it's looking as if you are making candies, right? Like all these sweet candies. Don't be scared, just keep stirring. And to all my returning subscribers, I sincerely appreciate you for always coming back to watch my video. Don't forget to like and share this video. So can you see that everything is like getting ready, right? But we are not there yet. So it's looking as if you are bleaching your palm oil with heat already. It's bubbling. So just stir it. Let it, get that dark brown color a little bit before we move to the next step. So at this point, we are going to add water. And for my production, I added about 80 ml of water, 80 ml of water to 125 gram of melted sugar. Now, you don't need it to be too watery or too thick. And the water I added is not room temperature. I went ahead to like boil water. So my water was around 50 degrees Celsius. So I added hot water to it because it will help me to like achieve what I want easily. If you add cold water or room temperature water, immediately you add that water, the sugar solution will become sticky as if you want to make candy. Then you have to like start melting it again before you get your final outcome. So to be on the safe side, just add hot water to it. So after adding the water, allow it to cook for like 2 to 3 minutes to get more dark, like that dark brown shade. So guys, after that, this is my sugar solution and I'm transferring it to a container. Once it gets cool, I'll transfer it into my bottle and keep it till when I'm ready to use it. I hope you can see that it's very easy. Thank you so much guys for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to like and share this video with your loved ones. Bye.